Okay, today we're going to be solving some really fancy equations. So for example, if I gave you this first example here, 3x equals 6, you would tell me to solve by dividing by 3. Okay, x equals 2, no big deal. You're going to apply this exact same knowledge to the problems today. It's just that they're not necessarily going to be using only numbers. So you told me to get x by itself, I need to divide by 3. Do the same thing here. Divide by 3. That 3 is still just being multiplied on. So now it's x equals y over 3. Your answer is just simply still going to have all the variables in it. So let's check out up here. X minus 9. Okay, to get rid of the 9, you would add 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. Excellent. Same rule. That minus y is in my way from having x by itself. So I'm going to add y to both sides and get x equals 1 plus y, or you could also say x equals y plus 1. It doesn't matter either way. All right, up above, looks like we get a two-step equation. I'm going to subtract 4 and get 2x equals 10, and now x equals 5 if I divide the 2. Do the same thing here. Get rid of the 4 first. It's just subtraction. Yx equals 10. Now get rid of that y. Since the y is being multiplied to the x, I'm going to divide it away. X equals 10 divided by y. That's all we're doing today. Let's do some more complicated ones. Let's see. I think 1a looks kind of fun. Let's try that one. 15 equals 3n plus 6p. What I find helpful is to go ahead and highlight what it is I'm solving for. So I'm going to, highlight this in. That'll help me keep a track of it as I want to get it by itself. So the first thing I'm going to get rid of is the 6p. So 15 minus 6p equals 3n. 15 and 6p are not like terms, so that's why I didn't combine them. Now I want to get rid of the 3. So I divide both sides by 3. That's going to give me n by itself. It looks like I can go ahead and simplify this. 15, this 3 can this 3 can distribute to everything on top. Not distribute, but be divided amongst everything on top. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 6p divided by 3 is 2p. Just like that. Let's try number 3 with its division here. That looks interesting. It says we're solving for k, so I'm going to highlight k. That helps me keep track of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of that division of negative 7k. So if I multiply by negative 7, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. K plus m equals negative 7n. Next, I need to get rid of the m. Since m is being added, I'm going to subtract it, add the opposite. And n and m are not like terms, so I believe that's my answer. These are weird, but it's all the exact same rules. Just ask yourself, how is it connected? And then do the opposite of that to make it go away.